Barcelona Tapas is one of the most desired gourmet restaurants in Puerto Vallarta. Let's hear William Caballo's history of the restaurant, menu, and entertainment.
First time I came to Puerto Vallarta was in 1993. I ended up marrying a girl from Puerto Vallarta. We bought the property here at where the Barcelona Tapas is in 1994. We built a two-story home with 2 rentals and a swimming pool. So we came down here and we opened up the restaurant actually on December 31st, 2000. The Barcelona restaurant's been open now for 22 years, the start of our story. It's based on Spanish food. They're really not tapas because we offer entrees in different size plates, but we call them tapas because it's based off of Spanish food, and our concept is for sharing. When we opened up the restaurant here at the Barcelona Tapas, we opened up with 14 tables and a small kitchen. At this time now, after 22 years and the last 7 years of remodeling, which 3 years ago we had installed an elevator, it provoked a big change. Our restaurant at this time right now is about 3 times the size of what it was when we first opened up. We have 160 seats in the restaurant. We have 2 floors. Both floors have views. We're also, throughout the restaurant, we exhibit art to sell, but it's not really a business for us. It's something that we do to support the artists. We have food, we have drink, wine, music, and the view to be able to have a complete experience. In the restaurant, we have some different activities. At this time, right now, during this high season, on Wednesdays at 11 o'clock, we do a cooking class for the paella, which is a seafood saffron rice dish. And we have a chef that's bilingual, and his name is Juan Pablo. We're located in the center of Puerto Vallarta on Matamoros Street, just 2 blocks up from the Woolworth store, 4 blocks from the main strip where the McDonald's are.